and their opponents, at a combined weight of 571 pounds, the World Tag Team Champions, Axe and Smash Demolition.
Guys, I realize the title is not on the line here, but I don't think the champ can afford to give less than a full effort.
Well, then I've got some good news for you, Cole, because there's a better chance of Saxton scoring a date for Friday night than there is with the champ giving less than 100%.
Both legal men are in the ring and set to start things off here. We're ready to go.
Guys, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned tag team match. Oh, tear the features clean off your face. Really working over the body. That's using your head.
Tag made, and this should be a great double team by this awesome team.
Oh, man, vicious knees right to the gut.
Oh, just inflicting so much damage to the body.
Oh, what impact. He's going for it all. Looks like we're going to get the... And he tags his partner in.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Nailed it. Forearm to the face. Oh, nothing fancy about that. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Ooh, what impact. What a stomp! Good grief! Clothesline! He looks a bit off his game here. He came into this match expecting a fight, and that's exactly what he's getting. Lariat! Oh, man! Back inside the ring now. What a slam!
Impactful. Will jar your spine. When a superstar's in a tag team match and has endured heavy mounts,
Going for broke.
ooh, that might have just broken something.
No doubt about that one.
Oh, nasty impact.
Uh-oh. This is made famous by our buddy. Elbow drop with authority. I'm not sure how much he has left. Corey, you touched on this before. Part of it, tag team's ability to... He's got the shoulders down. 2, 3. They did it. They won the match. Now let's get another look at some of the high points of that one.
Who could forget this?
This match wasn't exactly a barn burner, but we can't expect every superstar on their A game every time, I guess.
Here are your winners, Axe and Smash Demolition.
Another exciting tag team match in the books.
when you put these two together, victory is really the only plausible outcome.
And the crowd here tonight still in awe over that great match.